जम्मू कश्मीर के कुपवाड़ा जिले में एलओसी पार कर घुसपैठ की कोशिश कर रहे 3 कट्टर विदेशी आतंकवादियों को भारतीय सेना ने सफलतापूर्वक मार गिराया। 14 जुलाई को घात लगाने वाली टीमों ने एलओसी की अपनी तरफ घने जंगलों के बीच 3 आतंकवादियों की आवाजाही देखी और घुसपैठ करने वाले आतंकवादियों को चुनौती दी, जिसके परिणाम स्वरूप तेज गोलीबारी हुई, जिसमें 3 कट्टर विदेशी आतंकवादियों को मार गिराया गया।
There have been multiple intelligence inputs from various intelligence agencies with respect to presence of terrorists in multiple launch pads opposite the Keren sector of Kupwara district. The inputs were primarily of terrorists planning to infiltrate and carry out sabotage and subversive activities in the hinterland with a view to disrupt the normalcy in general and the Amarnath Yatra in particular. The area on and ahead of the line of control has therefore been aggressively dominated by own troops for the last few weeks. On 12th of July, specific input was given by own intelligence agencies and it was further corroborated by the Jammu and Kashmir police regarding the mixed group of foreign terrorists likely to infiltrate through the Keren sector, leveraging dense cover of forest and thick undergrowth along the nalas. Accordingly, multiple ambushes were jointly laid by Army, BSF and JKP since the night of 13th and 14th July on the appreciated routes of infiltration, and besides this, we were maintaining surveillance of the complete area. Round the clock high alert was maintained by troops in the entire area. On 14th of July at approximately 1500 hours, a movement of 3 terrorists was spotted by own ambushes in the area under control of Pakistan Army across the line of control. Employing multiple high-tech surveillance devices, the movement of terrorists was continuously tracked. The terrorists, taking advantage of the thick foliage and poor visibility, sneaked across the line of control and started moving towards the fence. The ambush was there sprung at an opportune moment, and the terrorists were engaged with precise fire well ahead of the line of control fence. The terrorists were heavily armed, well trained, and equipped with sophisticated weaponry and equipment. In the ensuing intense firefight, 3 foreign terrorists were neutralized. A detailed search of the area was subsequently carried out, which led to the recovery of large quantity of warlike stores. Thus, the evil designs of the adversary to infiltrate terrorists across and vitiate the peaceful situation was nipped in the bud.